That's where we're camping tonight. Campfire going. Lake's still frozen. Snow's gone. It's going quick now. Spring is definitely here in Alaska. You see the weather's got some rain here and there, but it's all good. We're out and about. We're gonna grill up some steak tonight, and we're gonna sit by that campfire and just relax. It's nice to be out of town. It's nice to not be broke down, and we're gonna enjoy every minute of it. So welcome aboard. All right, just doing a little meal prep here. Guess I could leave that. I've had the crud for the last week. I've been sicker than a dog. So this was a nice break just to get out of town. Just gonna kick back, relax, sit by that campfire, and enjoy every minute. Yikes, about got a finger on that one. Poor sniffer's been running off my face. Is that a mosquito? I think I just saw a mosquito. That's not good. That's pretty much most of the meal prep. So we'll transition down to the fire here in a minute. Is that good and hot? Hot. That's a pretty toasty fire right now. Ooh. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, that fire's really hot. That steak looks delightful. cook for a couple minutes, let the steak rest for a few, and we're gonna enjoy dinner. That wind's got a little bite to it. Sunshine stuck behind that big dark cloud. All right, let's sit down and eat. Let's see how we did on this steak. Nice, perfect, just the way I like it. Let's see how it tastes though. Really? It's gonna rain on us. Cool. Yummy. It's so peaceful out here. Got the occasional airplanes flying by, and that's about it. Just nice and quiet. After the last couple weeks I've had, I'll take all the nice and quiet I can get. So then a breakdown after another breakdown after another breakdown. So, here's to you. Might have to move this party inside. Okay, you got the pan all cleaned up. Fire's burning down. I got a whole tote full of wood right there. And we're gonna kick back by the fire. Spring hasn't fully arrived yet. As you can see, the lake is still frozen. White on the mountains. I don't think you'll be able to see them, but I can see them just across the top of the trees. Just sitting here and enjoying a campfire. Got the place to myself. No bugs yet, which is awesome. And it's just peaceful and very relaxing. And that's kind of what I needed after a couple stressful weeks. Been working my tail off. The van broke down. Yeah, it was definitely entertaining, we'll put it that way. Frustrating more than anything, and expensive, like always. Everything's always expensive. But hey, that's life. I chose it and I enjoy it, so it is what it is. So let's sit back, enjoy a campfire, and we'll see what tonight brings. There's the lake. You might be able to see the mountains way back there over the tree line. I brought you down here to show you the pussy willows. They're all budded up. Spring's trying, but boy, winter's still hanging in there. Get back over by this campfire. Okay, campfire's out. I'm kicked back. I'm watching some mountain bike videos. I moved inside. I got a little cough thing going in the cold air. It's cooling down outside. My lungs aren't enjoying it just yet, so I'm gonna watch my mountain bike videos and kick back and relax for the night. Pretty cool. 10:05 p.m. It's still light out. But I'm calling it a night, so we'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning. It is a beautiful 7:26 in the morning, and I gotta run to town. I have a doctor's appointment in an hour and a half, so I gotta buzz. But gotta get my blocks and we'll get on the road.